before coming for the course, I didn't do implants. I had done a course before, but that didn't give me the confidence to start a patient on my own. So even though I did a long course, expensive course, but I didn't get what I wanted. All I was looking for, maybe it was not the right course for me, because I was looking for basic implants to start with, but it didn't give me that confidence. I did learn a lot of things, but I couldn't put them into the practice. This is a different world. I think we are lucky. We are lucky that we have a course like this. I was a bit apprehensive earlier because I've got kids, and to travel from Sydney, it's like arrange somebody in this clinic, then take care of this, arrange somebody to take care of for the kids. So, but it was totally worth it. I can just go and do an implant now, and all that fear. There are heaps of things still to learn, but what I was looking for to start somewhere, I think I got that. I'm not scared to do a simple, I'm not scared to start somewhere. When I did the other course, I was lost. It'll make a big difference, because earlier you thought the patient needs an implant, because they are your long-time patients. You talk to them, okay, I'll send you to a specialist. Some don't bother to go. Some go and then they're like, yeah, okay, not they don't go ahead with that. Definitely, I'll be able to help them. The standard of dentistry will improve, undoubtedly. That's what I strive. All of us, try to do that, and at least I'll have more options for my patients. Oh my God, the suturing. Earlier, I would just do basic, simple suturing. I haven't heard of the techniques earlier. What I learned here and what I can put them into practice. It's not only an implant. It's the soft tissue grafting. It's amazing. You can even it's given you more than an implant. They are amazing. They are the masters, but they've got so much of knowledge, but they come down to your level of knowledge. That's really great. Lincoln is always great. Anything he talks, there are 100 of things to learn from that. So even if you just sit there and listen what he's saying, there's I think he's a great teacher. Whatever he says, there's always something, like even if he shows a picture, even from that picture, there are so many things to learn, which you might not observe, or you might not think in that direction. Matt was wonderful. I did a couple of implants with Matt, and he just came down to my level. And the simple, basic stuff, what you can learn, and you can just go and start. My friend was telling me about Dr. Lincoln Harris, and he runs the courses and all. And then I Googled him, took me to the academy, read his philosophy, and it made more sense to me. And it somehow felt connected. Somebody's really thinking. I read about, it's not just drilling a hole into the bone. It's like what goes wrong after that. So that really made sense to me. And a lot of people said after, I did that 1-year course, and you can do guided surgeries and all. But I was like, guided is next. This is first. And you get to do the patients, and it's under supervision, and you learn a lot of stuff, and it's really, really hands-on. So that's amazing about it. It's different when you sit and do it. You watch it on a screen, somebody doing it, or do it on a pig head. But when you actually do it, it's a different experience altogether. So I'd just like to say thank you for everybody. Jenny, you, everyone for organizing the course. It's beyond my expectations, I would say, and I highly recommend this course to everybody.